YouTube channel. So our today's topic is industrial preparation of hydrogen. In industry, hydrogen is manufactured from water, natural gas and ammonia. Methods are arranged in order of their importance. So the first one is electrolysis of water. When electricity is passed through water containing a small quantity of an electrolyte, water decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen collects at cathode and oxygen gas is collected as anode, which is a byproduct. So the chemical equation for this method becomes water molecules break into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. As I told you, hydrogen is at cathode and oxygen is at anode. The gases produced are in the purest form. This process is expensive and is used to produce hydrogen where electricity is available at cheaper rates. Now the second process is steam and hydrocarbon process. A mixture of steam and natural gas when passed over nickel catalyst at 900 degrees centigrade produces a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide, commonly known as water gas. Here natural gas contains about 94.60% methane. So the chemical equation becomes, as you can see on the board. In this equation you can see that the reactants and products are in gaseous form, and the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is also called water gas. Now come to the third method of preparation of hydrogen gas is by the action of steam on coal. When steam is passed over red hot coke at about 1000 degrees centigrade, a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide is formed, which is called water gas, as we have discussed in process number 2. So the difference between process number 2 and process number 3 is only methane gas and red hot coke, which is a form of carbon. Hydrogen is obtained in free state by removing carbon monoxide from water gas. It is done by heating the mixture of two gases with more steam at 500 degrees centigrade in the presence of catalyst like iron oxide or cobalt oxide. As a result, carbon monoxide is changed to carbon dioxide, which can easily be separated by dissolving in water under high pressure, leaving behind free hydrogen gas. So let's write in form of chemical equation. So the products contain carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. We can also remove carbon monoxide gas by cooling water gas at -200 degrees centigrade with the help of liquid air. Carbon monoxide becomes liquid and free hydrogen gas is separated. Traces of carbon monoxide are further removed by passing the contaminated hydrogen through sodium hydroxide solution, which absorbs carbon monoxide to form sodium formate. So the chemical equation becomes, I hope you can understand. The last two equations are the equations in which we can use to remove carbon monoxide gas from the mixture of water gas. Now come to the process number 4, that is steam methanol process. In this process, a mixture of steam and vapors of methanol is used. When heated at 250 degrees centigrade, produces a mixture of hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Both are in gaseous form. Now if you want to separate carbon dioxide from hydrogen gas, it can be separated by passing the mixture through water under high pressure, whereby carbon dioxide will dissolve in water and free hydrogen gas is obtained. Now come to the process number 5, that is thermal decomposition of hydrocarbons, which can lead to the production of hydrogen gas. In this process, methane is heated in the absence of oxygen and is decomposed into its constituent elements, that are carbon and hydrogen. Carbon is in solid state and hydrogen is in gaseous form. Thus, carbon obtained is known as carbon black, which is a byproduct and is used in rubber industry, especially as filter for tires. It is also used as a pigment for ink, plastics, pen, typewriter, carbon papers, etc. Now the last process is thermal decomposition of ammonia. This process consists of vaporizing the liquid ammonia from cylinders, heating at 1000 degrees centigrade and passing over an active catalyst. Then the mixture of nitrogen and hydrogen is cooled to -196 degrees centigrade when nitrogen becomes liquid and free hydrogen gas is obtained. So that's all about today's topic, that is industrial preparation of hydrogen. In next video I'll come with another topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.